Okay, another quick project. This one, again, using these pressed Millefiori from Lori Moreno. Now, these are a little bit on the smaller side. She sells chunks, and you can press those, as I've done, and made them a little thinner. And some of them I have are, let's see here, some of them I have are quite large compared to these, but I have some of these little guys, and see how fun those are? And I thought I would play with these little ones. So super easy project that I hope to be a good seller at the craft shows. I've got an 8-inch piece of clear Tecta that is a 1/2 inch wide. I've got little bits of squares of Tecta. I'm going to glue a little square of Tecta to the bottom. Hopefully you can see this okay. And I'm going to glue one of these to the top of each one. Then I'm going to put them in the kiln for a full fuse. And in a full fuse, this is going to pull in and become thinner, and this will all fuse together. This will create a little bulb here at the bottom. This glass on top will create a little bit of a ball. This will get a little skinnier, and they're going to be drink stirs. So I'm going to go ahead and tack these together and take them to the kiln, and I'll show you what they look like when they come out after a full fuse. All right, here they are. Swizzle sticks, drink stirs, whatever you want to call them, cocktail barware, which they're just so much fun, and they were so easy. And this is, you know, practically scrap glass, and then a beautiful little, you know, decoration at the top. These Millefiori fire perfectly. You get a nice bulbous little clear top to it. You've got the bottom that's clear, and also got a little bulb on the bottom because you've added some extra glass. They're sturdy. They pull up to 6 millimeters, so they're sturdy. I feel great about these. I love these, and I think they'll sell well. I mean, when you think about the cost of glass is relatively small. You can fit a ton of these in your kiln, depending on how big your kiln is. And you know, I'll put them all together. I've got them. They're kind of pairs here. I'll put them in a glass together at my booth, and I'll say, you know, pick 4, $30 or something, which I think will be a really easy price to get for these. They're a lot of fun, and sometimes people are just looking for a little something, and this might be it. So there you go. Even if you don't drink chocolate milk, right? So enjoy. Hope you learned something. I always do. If you want my firing schedule or any details about where I get my supplies, you can check out my video notes underneath the video. Subscribe for future posts. See you later. Bye-bye.